Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Monday, the 9th day of September. Here we go. Hope you had a very meaningful fast on Tzom Gedalia. Now, more laws that you need to know for the 10 days of repentance. First of all, I just want to recap. You need to know that you're saying all the additions in your Shemona Esrei throughout these 10 days of repentance, most important of which is the addition of Hamelach HaKadosh. If you said Hakel HaKadosh instead of saying the insert of Hamelach HaKadosh during the 10 days of repentance, that is the only one that counts so strictly that you would actually have to repeat Shemona Esrei if you forgot to say Hamelach HaKadosh. All the others are important also, but they don't rise to that level of causing you to have to repeat Shemona Esrei if you forgot them. But Hamelach HaKadosh is that important. If you forgot to say it, you must repeat the Shemona Esrei. If you don't remember what you did, then you're going to have to assume that you probably did what your usual habit is, and your usual habit is, and it can't get switched in just a couple of days, so your habit is probably the old thing, which means you forgot to say Hamelach HaKadosh. So if you forget what you did, you would also have to repeat Shemona Esrei. That applies to Shachris and Mincha and Marav, all three of them. So please be very careful, at the very least, to make certain that you say Hamelach HaKadosh. The idea being that throughout these 10 days, the like sort of overarching feeling that we feel about God during these 10 days is that He is the Holy King. That we call Him the God, the Holy God, the rest of the year, but here we overwhelmingly feel His presence as King over the universe during these days of awe. That's the feeling of awe that we have for our King, and therefore Hamelach HaKadosh is the crux of the matter. Now Hamelach HaMishpat, which comes a little later in Shemona Esrei, also important, but you would not have to repeat the Shemona Esrei if you forgot that one. Thanks for logging on, and log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.